I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to rename your Apple AirPods using an iPhone or iPad. Before you begin, make sure your AirPods are connected to your device by placing them in your ears or opening the charging case near your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap the section near the top of the menu that displays your AirPods name. Alternatively, you can tap Bluetooth and then tap the info icon next to your connected AirPods. Step 3. Tap Name. Step 4. Type in your new custom name for your AirPods and then tap Done on the keyboard. Your new AirPods name will instantly update and save across all of your Apple devices connected to the same iCloud account. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.